In our last video, we showed you how XMaker makes machining a 3D model as simple as using a 3D printer. But what if you don't have a digital model? What if you want to machine something that exists in the real world? A figurine, a custom sculpture, or even a person? Today, we're unlocking the second powerful feature of the XMaker ecosystem, bringing the real world in. And to do that, you'll need the Xscanner 3D laser scanner. Simply take your favorite object or any 3D item and let the scanner do its magic. In minutes, you have a high-precision, photorealistic 3D model ready to go. Because this is a digital model, you can customize it or add modifications. Then, we import the file directly into the XMaker software. Now, this is where the creativity kicks in. You can either use the smart recommended settings for speed or fine-tune every parameter yourself for total control. Once set, XMaker instantly calculates the most efficient toolpath. But before cutting, we simulate. You can preview the entire machining process digitally, spotting potential issues before they happen. This prevents broken bits, avoids collisions, and saves material costs machining with a built-in safety net. Once the simulation checks out, generate the G-code with one click and upload it seamlessly to your Xmachine. Within seconds, your toolpath is ready. Just hit start and watch your digital twin become physical reality again. We've even tried this with faces, scanning a person and machining them into a relief sculpture. It's an incredible way to blend the physical and digital worlds. And we're just getting started. In our next video, we're taking it a step further, because XMaker has built-in AI. If you don't want to miss that, hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.